Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Call or text my office, 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about our $500,000 home loan program with no money down, 100% financing. If you're somebody out there that's looking to buy your primary residence, we have programs starting with as low as a 620 middle credit score. You can purchase your primary home up to $500,000 or whatever the local FHA county loan limit is in your county, and get up to $25,000 down payment assistance, and then get the rest of the closing costs rolled in. You can literally buy a home with no money down. It does require that we verify your income for the last 2 years, and that your debt to income ratio be below 50%. But if you feel you meet these qualifications and you can buy a primary home, single family. You can also buy a duplex. There's also manufactured homes. Those other type of properties require a 660 or higher credit score. But you can buy a property and get the down payment and closing costs included. It is possible with us. As a direct nationwide lender, we can help you with this program. So don't be a stranger. Feel free to reach out to us. Call or text Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen, guys.